guys, what's good? It's Brittany and welcome back to my channel. So today for you all, I have a review. Now if you are new here, I do videos on starting my luxury collection as well as Amazon and fashion hauls as well as a little bit of lifestyle. So if you like any or all of that, definitely make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, click all videos so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's get started. So this company I have worked with before, and it is no other than Jeulia. So since I've recently gone down to only one video a week, I'm being a lot pickier with who I do reviews with, but I had a really good experience with Jeulia. So when they wanted to do something again, I was like, yes, of course. So if you guys remember, I did a jewelry review on these earrings and then also this personalized necklace. And I'll go ahead and I'll link that here. But this go around, I wanted to show you guys their rings. Well, one ring in particular. So again, you open it. They do have a product booklet, and on the cover of this booklet it does feature their mermaid collection. So it's new, it's really pretty. The only reason why I didn't pick anything from this collection is because I'm not personally a silver girl. I really like gold and rose gold, but I think it's really pretty. It kind of reminds me of a heart. But yeah, the great thing about Jeulia is that their jewelry is good quality and it's affordable. Now, as you guys know, I am taking my channel in a new direction, so still a little bit of luxury, but that's just not going to be the main focus. Really, I'm focusing on quality and just affordability and of course on trend. And that's why I really like Jeulia, because they go hand in hand with that. So here in the center, if you pop out the little box, you open it up, you will see the cutest little ring. All right, so I think this is the part of the video where we roll the B-roll and I show you this up close and personal and just how beautiful it looks. So as you can see here, it's rose gold and it's a bunch of hearts that are connected to each other. Little 3D hearts, and then they're filled with crystals inside, and then it's also filled with crystals around the edges. And y'all, it's so pretty. Like, I'm legitimately obsessed with this. All right, so I got this in a size 7, which is perfect because it can fit on either my middle finger or my index finger, and I just really like it. I'm obsessed with it. Like, it's literally so cute. Are all my fingers the same size? No, the ring finger's a little bit tinier. But yes, I am just super obsessed. I think it's so cute. I just can't tell me anything with this ring on. Like, it's so cute. So I have been wearing this ring for a few days now. I've worn it to work, got some compliments on it. And like I say, I have jewelry from them that I wear, so I can attest to the fact that it's good quality. All right, so I have my phone out here because I want to give you a little more information of the sale that they have running. So it's for the month of August. I know it's towards the end, but you guys still have time. So it's their 5th anniversary sale. So with this, you get free logo earrings for any order made. You also get 15% off if you purchase over $150. And then they also have something where every day they give away 10 free orders. You can find out more about that on their website. But yes, I will link their website below. I will put a link for this ring in particular. And then I'll also link the necklace, the personalized necklace that I'm wearing, and my earrings. So the necklace has my son's name on it, and then it also has his birthday. So, like, I love personalized jewelry like that. But yes, that is my unboxing and review for this Jeulia ring. I hope you all enjoyed it. So if you made it this far in the video, definitely subscribe to my channel. Remember, as always, to be good to yourself, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye, guys.